So, I'm supposed to be flying high in life, right? Well, let me take you on a journey with the Airbus A380. This beauty stretches an astonishing 72.7 meters from nose to tail. It's not just an aircraft, it's a floating palace in the sky. With 4 powerful engines, it soars at over 900 kilometers per hour, and the wingspan, longer than a football field. Inside, it can seat up to 850 passengers in style. Luxury redefined with private suites and showers at 40,000 feet. It lifts off with grace, connecting cities like never before. The A380 is a monument to ambition, turning heads everywhere. More than just an aircraft, it's a dream made real.